Hello everyone and welcome to Lockdown Learner. Today we are going to do is revert linked list from kth positions. Okay guys, we are having input and output here. Input is first one is like number of elements we are having, and then we are having elements, and then we are having the kth position from which we have to rotate. Okay guys, like suppose it is 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so it is rotated like 2 3 4 and 0 and 1. Like this we have to rotate the linked list. Okay guys, let us start with the program. Now let us start with the program. We are creating a function name rotate in which we are returning a node, and this we are getting a node, a head pointer, and we are getting is a kth element from which we have to like rotate. Okay guys, now start with the program. Now we have declared is like we have declared another node h equals to head. Okay, now what we have done is while h not equals to null, or you can say h of next not equals to null, you can check here, and what it is doing, h equals to h of next. Okay guys, and then we are doing is h of next equals to null. Okay, now what this thing is doing, let me explain first this, then we have to go on further. Suppose we are having a linked list 1 2 3 4 and 5. What it is doing, first it is going to the end. After end there should be null, and there is null because it is a single linked list, but it is doing that after 5 it is 1, it is pointing to head. Sorry, I have written here it is pointing to head, so that means it created a circular linked list. It created it as a circular linked list. Now let us discuss further what we have to do. We have to take another node also. Okay guys, node star n, and now what we have to do is while k minus minus, you have to do it here. Now in this condition, remember n equals to head and head equals to head of next. Okay guys, head equals to head of next. Now what we have done here is end of next equals to null, and return head. Now you are getting till here, like what we have done here, this part is explained at here. Now let me show you what it is doing at here. It is like it is traversing that linked list like one, like let us take the example of like 1 2 3 4 and 5, same example, and 2. Okay, this kth element is 2. First it is 2. Okay, what it is doing for 2, it is end equals to end of head, and head equals to head of next. Now where is our pointer is, it is in first element first, when it is 2 minus minus, that is second element, then it is in third element, that is minus minus. What it will do when we have created a circular link, it will break at here only, like 2, it will break at 2, that key 2 of next equals to null, because it is like it is running for 2 when it is running for 1 2 in 1, and when it is 0 it is breaking, it is not going inside, it is breaking. What it will do, is like 1 2 and null. After 1 and 2 it will put null. Already you know what is single linked list, in the end it comes null. So from where the linked list will start, it will break the linked list from here, circular linked list. The circular linked list will start from 3 4 5 and 1 and 2. You know that after 2 we put a null, so it means it's an end of linked list. After 1 and 2 we put a null, so it means it's an end of linked list. Obviously, when you are going to print the linked list, it will print like this. 3 4 5 and 1 2. What we have done, first we have made it a circular linked list, and we are like kth element, we have to go on the kth element, we are going on the kth element like 1 2, and after 2 it is doing like end of next equals to null. For next it is putting the null. So obviously you know that linked list always end with the null and start with like 3. It will start with 3 3 4 5 1 2, because after 2 it's a null. Okay guys, I think you are able to understand this program. You have to go through this program, then also you will understand. Okay guys, if you have any problem you can write down it in comment also, and you can just share with me that what problem you are having. I will try to solve it. Okay guys, please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and on comment tell me that how much you like this video or do you want any improvement. Okay guys, thank you.